We are going to create one process chain. So before going to create process chain, we should have one flow, our data flow. So otherwise we cannot create it. So I already created one flow in my system. So you can see this is my flow. Like, so I'm getting data from 2020 source system to BW4 HANA, my ADS1 MG ADS1 underscore 2000. So created transformation DTP and everything is activated. So if you want to create process chain, should be one flow and also all objects in the active mode. And one more thing, and if you want to create process chain, so we need to create start variant. You need to create start variant and also DTP and DSO activation. So in the BW4 HANA, we don't have PSA concept. So we are skipping this PSA and directly we are creating start variant and DTP and DSO activation. DSO activation. Okay. This is DSO activation. So what is my start variant? For every process chain, we should have start variant. Without start variant, we cannot create process chain. We cannot run as well. Okay, in the start variant only, we are defining the timings, date and time, and we can schedule immediately. So everything we can do in start variant. Without start variant, we cannot create the process itself. It won't get activated. So DTP and DSO activation after that. So this, right, the DTP uses, we are extracting the data from so S4 HANA to S4 HANA to our ADSO, our ADSO. Right, but directly we are getting data from source system to our BW4 HANA, this DSO. Okay, let's see how to design this process chain. Okay, step by step. Then we'll see. Go to system, and I already created this flow. You can see it. And then what you do, this is my DTP technical name. So take this DTP technical name. So we need this technical name if you want to create. And then go to BW RSPC, BWGI, go to RSPC and enter it. Now I'm into BW4 HANA. If you see we don't have any modeling tab. It started with administration. All these tabs are there. We don't have any modeling tab. Now I can see here all process chains, all application components. These are all application components. The display component, you can see it. So if you want to create, where you want to create process chain. So if you want to create process chain, so for example, this is my application component. Right click on this. I'm going to create process chain. Clearly see in the BW4 HANA. So now you need to give the process chain name. You need to give the process chain name based on your system naming convention. Okay. So now I'm giving test process chain. So like this, I'm giving the naming convention. So so now it is asking create start variant. So before I given process chain name, technical name and description, now it is asking start variant name. For start also I'm giving ZPC underscore start underscore sales underscore 2000 like this I'm giving. Okay. So same thing I'm copying for start as well. And see now, so do you want to schedule immediately? Just I'm doing it as of now. Save it and go back. Without saving, then it will not create start variant. We need to save it properly. So now I can see start variant in my process. And if you want, you can minimize it, or else you can. So I'm going to minimize it. Now I can see this, my process chain. See here. So currently I'm into compute view and this is checking view. This is log view. So total we having three views in the process chain while you are creating process chain. So what are those? What are those? Total three views would be while you are designing views. Okay. And what is this? Composite view. Let me check again. Go to here and I can check planning view. Sorry, planning view. In the planning view, we will design the process chain and checking view, and we are checking log view. So by using these three views, we will create the process chain and we will check the process chain and we will check the when it was ran last time and how much time taken and all log details we can see it. So in the planning view only we can create the process chain and we can modify the process chain. In the checking view, we will just check whether it is working or not, whether it is activated or not. If we have any errors, it will display in the checking view. In the log view, we will see runtime and all process chain. Okay, these are the process chain. Three views would be there. Okay, in the views. So in the planning view only, we'll create the process chains. Okay, now I'm into planning view only. See here, planning view. This is checking view. This is log view. Okay, now expand this and where is DTP? This is execute DTP. I'm dragged up. So many process types are there left side. So based on your requirement, you can drag and drop and you can use it. Okay, what is my technical name? So this is the my technical name of DTP. I'm copy it and go to here. Sorry, go to here and yeah, I'll give my technical name. Just click on OK. So automatically it will bring DS for activation step as well. So what we need to do just to map it. Okay. So this is how we will map it. Okay. Now you can go to the check view. See what it is doing. Chain is okay. I don't have any errors in this process chain and activate it. So once activate, you will get message the process chain has been activated. And now if you go and check in the log view, I don't see any logs. When it was created, 20 date created. Who created? This guy created before user one created. What is the chain name? This is the JetPC sales 2000. This is the process chain name. Okay, now right click and go to manage data store object. I will go to the directly my DSO manage. So now I can see my manage. Do you have any request? Zero, zero. Nothing will be there in my DSO, right? So now what I will do, I will execute my process chain and how to execute the process chain. So maybe your TL or your senior will tell that execute the process chain. So you are new to system, newly joined in the project, you don't know how to execute process chain also. And just to take this function model name, this is a function model name. Go to SC38, 37 function model. This is function model. Okay. So simply I can say function model FM. Few people very short name, they will give function model SC37 RSPC API underscore chain underscore start. How you will do it? Okay. Then after activating, okay, let me activate. Then I will go to here. Go to SC37. I'm executing this process chain. RSPC underscore API underscore chain underscore start. So this is the way we will create process chain and we will execute it. Ad hack run. What is my process chain name? I don't remember how to just copy this one. So I given process chain name I underscore chain. I given process chain name execute it and select the standard priority C only and execute. See now I can see log as well. And what you do just to go here and go to log view. Go to log view. So now you will come to know today and yesterday the log we can see here the process chain has been started 10:09. What is the time now? What is the time name? 10:10:05. Okay. Just now we executed. Okay. So now the process chain has been completed. Right click and you can see and go to your manage of data store object. Now I can see when it was loaded, just now we loaded. I didn't see even activation also completed. See, activation also completed. I didn't do manually. Through process chain, we are loading the data. So, okay, now still it is showing yellow color. Why? Because still we are into the screen only. Just go to other log and select today, yesterday and today. Again, it will show in green color. Okay. So the page has to refresh. So now I can see I created one process chain and I also executed the process chain. Okay. This is how you can create the process chain, and you can go to planning view, and if you based on your requirement. So like you can see here, start SAP HANA HDA remote subscription. Okay, you can see many things, process types are introduced in this area. Okay, in the older version, we having like no different process types should be there. So if you want, I will explain you. In the older version, we'll have start variant, and then info package, and then DTP, and DSO activation, and then again drop drop data, drop data, drop data, delete indexes, delete indexes, and then DTP, and then create indexes, create indexes. So like this, we having old version, and aggregates, compression, compression, and also DB statistics. Like this, we having multiple process types in the older version. So these all concepts are removed in the BW4 HANA. We don't require all these options. When you are using older version, we require those things, and this and all not required in the BW4 HANA. So, okay, we don't have this option itself. Okay, skipped. No PSA in BW4 HANA concept itself. Okay, so directly start variant, only start variant, and DTP DSO activation. Okay, ADSO activation. So these three steps would be there in the real time. Clear? Okay, this is where we will create the process chain and we will activate it. So I will explain you how to schedule multiple times in a day, another video. Okay, thank you.